undo, redo, and editing in edit mode. Blender provides tools for undoing many actions. The shortcut for undo command is Ctrl-Z. By default, 32 successive undo steps available in Blender. This can be adjusted in Preferences under the Edit menu in Information header. You can increase or decrease these undo steps. Let me demonstrate this with a sphere. G to grab and move, S to scale, change to edit mode, and select part of the sphere, E key to extrude and move to the right. Now Ctrl-Z to go to the previous step. Ctrl-Z again to previous step. Ctrl-Z again. Notice that it changed from edit mode to object mode. I'm doing this until I am back to the original sphere object. Now there's a short key in Blender to redo these steps. It is Ctrl, Shift and Z. Here I redo these steps holding Ctrl, Shift and Z. Ctrl, Shift and Z again. One more time. Notice that undo or redo is doing the mode change too. Now in edit mode from object mode, undo and redo steps will continue to function even if you save the Blender file. However, it will not work once you closed and open it again. Global and local orientation. By default, the orientation of X, Y, and Z axis is global orientation. Means X, Y, and Z axis orientations remain constant no matter which view is displayed. However, Blender allows you to change X, Y, and Z axis orientation from default global orientation to local objects orientation. I'm selecting the Move tool. In global orientations, the Z-axis, which is designated in blue, always move up and down. The Y-axis, which is designated in green color, always move front and back. The X-axis, which is designated with red color, always move horizontal to the front. Select and move the torus on global Z-axis or global X-axis. Now I am changing the orientation from orientation drop-down box from global to local. And notice that the Move tool changed its orientation. Now I can move the torus on its local Z-axis or along its local X-axis. I can scale it on local Z-axis or rotate it on local X-axis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.